the engine gives a cheer. Milo shouts, the weather's near. With sunny skies and cloudy shade, let's see the magic weather's made.
Here comes the sun, so big and round. It warms the trees, it dries the ground. Milo beams with a grin so wide,
Waves at birds that chirp and glide. Sunny days are full of play. We'll laugh and run the whole bright day. Drip, drop, here comes rain, splashing softly on the train. Umbrellas open, swish and spin. Milo's wearing boots and a grin. He jumps in puddles left and right. Frogs in raincoats join the sight. Raindrops dance on every leaf. Rainy days bring sweet relief. Up above, the clouds all roam like floating pillows far from home. No sun to shine, no stars to gleam, just puffy clouds in a quiet dream. Milo yawns and says out loud, let's nap beneath this cloudy shroud. Though it's gray, I love this view. Even clouds can feel brand new.
the air turns crisp and cold. The world is wrapped in white and gold. Snowflakes twirl and spin and land like diamonds scattered from a hand.
Milo builds a snowman tall, throws a snowball near the wall. He giggles loud, it's such a sight. Snowy days are pure delight.
Hold on tight, the wind is here. It whistles soft, then roars so near.
It shakes the trees, it flaps the gate,
and spins the weather vane in fate.
Milo lets his kite fly high. It dances wild across the sky. He shouts aloud, I love this breeze.
It makes me float like autumn leaves.
Rumble, crack, the thunder claps. The lightning zips and zaps and snaps. Dark clouds swirl with flashing light. A storm is booming through the night. Milo's safe with coat and hood. Storms can be a little good. They water trees, they clean the air, but always watch and take great care.
What's that misty rolling glow? It hides the field, the fence, the crow. Everything is soft and slow. A foggy world begins to grow. Milo peeks with lantern light. It glows like stars on a misty night. Fog is quiet, cool and gray. Let's tiptoe through the clouds today.
Out comes the sun, the rain's all gone. Look at the sky, it's painting on. A ribbon stretches way up high, with 7 colors in the sky. Red and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Milo jumps and points with glee.
A rainbow smiling down at me. From sunny
Thank you for riding the weather train.
snow so soft to thunder loud, from foggy trails to windy bends.